This is a video that will show you how to set up artboards in Adobe XD, and it will show you how easy it is to connect one artboard to the next so that you can make some pretty simple wireframes based on your wireframe hand drawings. You have a couple of options for what you want to make. You can go custom size. Let's just keep it really simple. You can click this little arrow right here and you get a bunch of options for what size artboard you want. So these are custom sizes for that exact device. Let's just go with this iPhone 14 Pro Max. Nice. Okay, this should look like, if you have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is what your artboard looks like. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, cool. You remember artboards from Adobe Illustrator. Here you see your width and your height. This is in pixels, not inches, not centimeters, not feet, not miles. Pixels. They're those little squares that make up the pictures on your phone. These are all of your tools and options over here. A lot of this should look familiar. We're going to keep it focused on just simple shapes. So this is my artboard 1. I'm going to make this my title screen. So I'm just going to put title of my app here. And I'm going to go quick and dirty, but you can get really pretty if you want to. So I'm just going to go title of my app. And then I'm going to go to my artboard tool. I'm going to click over here. Yes, now I have 2 artboards. Cool. So next might be my menu. So maybe I'll just click over here and I'll hold Option and drag. And now this will be my menu. Of course, when you make this, I want you to actually make the menu. So you might show like Option 1, Option 2, Option 3, Option 4, all those good things. How do you want your app to work? What do you think people will see when they open it? Then the menu, you should be able to push to 3 different screens. So if the menu is like Option 1, Option 5, Option 6, this should be Option 1, Option 5, Option 6. In fact, you know what? Let's just do that. We'll make this Option 1. I'm just zooming in and out. Over here, I can adjust the size of my type over here on the right. So I'm just going to bump that up to 50. Let's do Option 1. Oops. I like that you can see me kind of making mistakes. I'm going fast. Option 1, Option 1, Option 1, Option 1. Let's just say I have 5 options. So I'll change this to Option 2, Option 3, Option 4, Option 5. And you'll fill in these options. So like if you're making something to do with colors, maybe you make it like the actual colors. Okay. And what the heck, I'm going to put a little bar here too. This is not perfect, but for the sake of keeping this video short and just to show you what it looks like, I would space these out evenly using the distribution tools over here. But I want to show you this next thing. So I'm going to make another artboard over here. And I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to move it up here. Yes. And then I'm going to make another artboard. Okay, pretty good. And I'll make yet another one. So this will be option, let's go with menu option 3. So this would be menu 1, 2, 3. Okay. So maybe I'll have like, let's make this up to 50. This will be option 3. And just like you watched on the video yesterday, you maybe have a little drawing, maybe a little person. This is the menu up here, so maybe I'll do that. I'm going quick and dirty. Don't do anything beyond black and white. Fill will be like, I don't know, like this gray here. Yeah. So now I've got my heading. Cool. That's kind of big. So I'll fix that. But this is where you get to be the artist. So maybe you have an intro here. Intro, and then underneath you have blah, blah, blah text. I'll just put this in here. Oops. Knock that down to like 25. Let's knock that down to like 35. And maybe I have an image, so I'll move that over. It's really up to you how you want to do this. Maybe put the image down here. I cannot stress enough, my friends. I'm going quick and dirty.
Can I have Eliza Rodriguez to the main office, please? Eliza Rodriguez to the main office.
I'm going to delete these artboards, and I'm just going to click that and oops. Good, you're seeing me mess up. This is awesome. I'm going to undo my delete, and I'm going to click these and copy them up here. Because I'm nervous, because I'm on a video right now, I kind of forget the exact options that I want. So there's option 3, option 1, option 5. And now I go over here to prototype, and I can see that I want option 1 to connect to the option 1 board. And I want option 3 to connect to the option 3 board. And I want option 5 to connect to the option 5 board. Cool? So now, when I play this, oh, whoops, it should be on tap. I have that, correct. And we'll just use the defaults for now. The animation can be a, let's go slide up. And this can be a slide up, and this can be a, we'll go slide down. Why the heck not? We're here to have fun. Play with this stuff. This is where it gets really fun. You can do an easy, I'm going to leave it to you to play with. This is where it gets really fun. So this is, let's see if I did this right. Oops. Let's click on this and play. There's the title of my app. Okay. Ooh, I got that wrong. Oh, I didn't connect it. Here we go. Okay. The title of my app goes to the menu board, and it's a time thing. So after, I don't know, let's make it like after 1 second. Okay. Here we go. All right, I need to fix the timing. Oh, display for 1 second. There we go. Oops, I had it wrong. You're learning just like I am. I'm refreshing. Here we go. Title of my app. Then the screen, the menu screen shows in, and now you see I have links over here. I'm going to click option 1. Option 1 pops down. Notice I did not put a way to get back to the menu. Should have done that. So that's just a reminder, like, okay, I'm doing the prototype. I don't have a way to get back to the menu, so I should have like a back key here. I'll do this real quick. Make it really obvious. Oops. Switch back to design mode. All right, I'm going to make this a button in prototype that goes back to the menu. Okay. And then I'm going to Command C. Oops. Paste that. And I'm going to bring that down as well. Okay, so now back to the menu goes back to each menu. Let's try it one more time. Title of my app. There's my menu. I'm going to click on option 3 this time. Hey, it takes me to the option 3 screen. Cool. And then if I click back to menu, hey, cool. Maybe I want to look at option 5 now. Okay, that looks good. Back to menu. Cool, but I want you to actually show me what option 1 is. So if it's like pizza, and then option 5 is brownies, actually show me that and mock it up. Okay, y'all, this is where you get to be creative, where you get to have the very most fun. So do enjoy, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.